It's very. Everybody was super. You made a slight mistake there. I feel, deep inside my heart, I feel so pain. Hi guys, I went to McDonald's after a long time. I was working there before when I was a student, and today I went there. I was thinking like, I was so hungry, so I was like, should I eat? Should I not eat? I have to think 10 times because it's not healthy. So I went there and like, it was near the train station, so 6 workers were there. And then everybody was super frustrated and angry, but I can totally understand them because I can totally relate to them. It's hamburger, it's the cheapest one. I wanted to eat something warm, so looking at them working so hard reminded me of my initial days in Germany when I couldn't speak German, and after working in McDonald's for some months, I remember my chef telling me, when I told her that I have got an internship, then I have to travel, she was so sad and she told me, now you even learn German working here. Now I understand why everybody comes to McDonald's when they're hungry, because it's warm. The workers seem pretty frustrated, everybody. And the one in the cashier, the one who, talked to me. Surprisingly, he was very kind. But I tried to be as decent as I can because I know it's very stressful. So I said they said it will take some time. I said, no worries, just take your time. Then she especially made my one fast, he even asked the worker, is the hamburger finished like this? Maybe he noticed that I'm a good customer. I mean, I have been in their shoes before, right? So when I'm in McDonald's, I try to be as humble as I can. I mean, I try to be as nice as I can. I at least try it. Because they're dealing with thousands of customers, and some people are very picky. Especially if you're new, you can make mistakes because you don't get teach properly also. Because there are so many customers. And you made a slight mistake, customer will complain, you'll get scolding. But it's really nice. Today I feel, deep inside my heart, I feel so pain. Because once upon a time, I was also a student working like them, They all were like so sweaty, so tired. I heard people speaking Bangladesh and Indian language. I'm waiting for my train, by the way. I'm sitting here. Yeah. On the other side, there is seat, but there's a German lady sitting there, and I want my own piece. So if the person who was in the cashier is watching this video, then thank you so much. You were very kind to me, and then you even, told the workers to make my burger fast. That's really nice of you. Yeah, and I enjoyed it. I will give 10 out of 10 because I was really hungry. So yeah, I just wanted to share you guys how nostalgic I was feeling, feeling very sad. When I looked there, I was like, once upon a time, I was also like this. Yeah. I worked in McDonald's for 1 year, 9 months. Yeah. After that, I had a very bad back pain. So normally I'm a person who is very patient. I try to be as patient as I can, but at a point came in my life where I couldn't do it anymore because my back was hurting so bad that I even thought of going to the doctor, because it was hurting so bad because I was a very fast worker. I even talked in my other video And then sometimes there are orders coming like 30 burgers, 40 burgers. And my hand was like, and then normally in one area, 3 people, in the other area, 3 people. But due to lack of workers, sometimes I do work for 3 people. Now you can imagine. Sometimes I do work for 2 people like this. So, and I work super fast. So, after my work, my whole body pains, like, it's very difficult. By the way, some of my one of my subscriber commented that I'm looking here and there while talking. It's because I'm, already picturing that moment whenever I'm talking. I try to imagine that moment. That's why my eyes goes here and there. But I try to look in the camera. Okay, thank you so much for your comment. Yeah. And by the way, guys, I am planning of doing Q&A soon, very soon. Are you guys excited or not? If you have any specific questions for me, comment down below, okay? I will make my first Q&A soon. I'm a little bit nervous, scared. I don't know what to say, but I think you guys deserve to know about me because you guys are showing me a lot of love. And I'm just so thankful and grateful to God to have such a wonderful family, YouTube family. So I love you all so much. And please do comment down below if you have any questions for me, specific questions, and I will randomly choose and then I will come with a Q&A very soon. Okay, so thank you all so much once again. And until next time, bye. Take care.